Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you a very interesting topic which is rooftop garden design ideas, and also I will share with you very important and tricky tips with you. So, my dear friends, here are some great terrace garden design ideas and essential tips that you can use for inspiration on your rooftop. So, let's start our video. The number one is keep it open. A small rooftop looks big if you are not going to fill it with a lot of many things. A transparent glass instead of a parapet wall, fence, or railing will be great. Two is create some privacy. If you have an open terrace, then growing climbing plants for privacy would be a great idea. Climbing roses and English ivy are some of the best options you have. You can also use a bamboo screen. Number three is grow tall plants and trees. If you have a large rooftop, you can plant tall trees and shrubs to utilize the space to the fullest. Growing bamboos and grasses is a good combination if you want to make it low maintenance. 4 is create raised beds. Creating raised beds adjacent to the roof wall is a good idea. You can add wooden raised bed or ones that are made from metal. If you like, you can also construct concrete raised bed and grow tall shrubs and small trees in them. Sure, you use a waterproofing membranes and lay a thick barriers that can block roots and prevent damage to the roof. One more idea to make slightly elevated raised beds from the surface. That way the roots of the plants may not be able to penetrate. Next point is plant carefully. When it comes to rooftop garden design, ensure you maintain the diversity in the size of the plants. A few large plants, shrubs, and small trees, ground covers, annual must be there. Also, buy containers of different sizes as this will give a great look to your rooftop garden. The next idea is add furniture. Decide in advance what kind of furniture you would like to purchase. Would you like to lounge on the roof terrace or want to have dinner there? You must make a choice in the initial stage. Furniture that fits and style and theme of your roof garden would be more appropriate. Idea is add a focal point. Anything can be a focal point that draws attention. A water feature, tall trees, a beautiful arrangement of container plants, or simply a statue would be great addition to the roof garden. Next idea is introduce lights. It is important that your rooftop garden is well lit during the evening, especially near the stairwell or door. Moreover, lighting a roof will make it look larger during dusk. Next idea, which is very important, use no more than 3 colors. Next idea, which is very important, use no more than 3 colors. Always choose one color as an ancient shade and one or two more other colors. Using several different colors for walls, floor, railings, furniture, and containers can make your rooftop look too busy. So you have to use the color combination which is neutral colors. These are the best colors. Neutral colors like white, gray, beige, indigo. Next idea, which is also important, utilize the vertical space. Utilize vertical space to add more appeal to your rooftop garden. Hang planters on the walls, use railing planters, and grow a lot of climbers. Next idea is nice floor is important. Don't avoid the flooring, choose a type that fits your budget, suits the climate you live in, and accommodate the theme of the rooftop garden. Next idea is play with colors and plant types. Use cool and warm colors in balance to get a beautiful look. On a well planned urban rooftop garden, everything is possible. Grow trees, shrubs, foliage plants, and annual for a burst of different shades. Next is rooftop sitting area. Rooftop barbecue or mini kitchen along with some plants would be a great place to grow mini parties. You can have a lovely weekend right at your terrace that way. The next is a mini pool. Mini pool on the terrace surrounded by a lush green tropical plants is a dream for many. If you don't have a big terrace, then you can make a mini pool and add plant in containers. Great idea is become a rooftop homesteader. A rooftop is a great place to grow fruits, vegetables, herbs, and salads of your choice. Become a rooftop homesteader and grow your own food with ease. Next idea is pick plants that will thrive on a rooftop. This is what will determine what plant are best for a rooftop garden. It will depend on your climate, but more often than not, think drought resistant and sun loving plants. Yes, my dear friends, I hope you like these ideas, and these ideas will be very helpful for you. Cliff top, maritime, and seaside plants are best for exposed roof garden or balconies. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share this video and subscribe my channel, and see you soon. Take care.